Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. It's Flamingo cocktail time. And today, we're not pouring whiskey. I know, I can't believe it either, but today is vodka day. So I like Belvedere and Chopin, Kettle One, some of the higher end vodkas. If you prefer just basic, inexpensive vodka, knock yourself out. But we're gonna make a Red Rooster. It's a very popular drink from the Prohibition era, very popular at Mardi Gras in New Orleans. So we're doing Mardi Gras stuff, so let's make a Mardi Gras drink, not a hurricane. So we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of vodka. You can pour that through a jigger, you can pour it by sight, whatever makes you happy. But I'm gonna do 1 3/4 ounces of vodka, 3 ounces cranberry juice, and a splash of orange juice. Now you're going to stir this together. It's generally garnished with a lime, but it doesn't have to be garnished at all. You could also use a Flamingo. It's a Red Rooster, one of my favorites. Hopefully it'll be one of yours too, real soon. Quite good. Until next time, remember to like, share, and subscribe. I got lots more Mardi Gras stuff coming real soon.